So, computers and zeros and ones, that's how they work, right? Okay, what does it mean? Well, if you think about that, I can show you this calculator what I built. It doesn't actually do any sophisticated calculations. It can do only additions and it can add only two 8-bit numbers. You can consider those two dip switches as a one 8-bit number and this as a second 8-bit number. Yeah. Now, if I toggle, you know, this one here, basically it represents number 1 because this is 2 at the power of 0, which is 1. That's why the first LED lit up. Now 1 plus 1, yeah, one 8-digit number to a second 8-digit number. Now if I'm gonna toggle the second one, number 1 on second 8-bit number, that's basically 1 plus 1, right? So what do you think is gonna happen? Exactly. It's gonna be 2. And again, if this is 2 at the power of 0, this is 2 at the power of 1. 2 at the power of 1 is, well, you guessed that right, it's 2. Now, if I'm gonna add another number, basically, this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Now, let's say if I'm gonna add 8 to this, you know what, let me switch this off. And again, we've got number 1, right? Now I'm gonna add this number 8. What do you think is gonna happen? Yes, it's gonna be 9 because 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay, let's do that. And what actually happened? So let's explain this a little bit. 2 at the power of 0 is 1. So this is 1. 2 at the power of 1 is 2, but I switched off. So I'll just skip it. 2 at the power of 2 is 4, but again, it's switched off, so I'm just gonna skip it. And 2 at the power of 3, well, it's 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, let's move on a little bit. I'm gonna switch this off again, and I'm gonna do 8 plus 8, which is 16. And as you could see, it literally just jumped on the next one because 16 is equal to 2 at power of 4. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, let's do competition. Who's gonna solve this? This number here plus this number here. Let me know in the comment.
And also, what do you think is the largest number I can display by adding both 8-bit numbers? You can find the solutions right here.